All right, so time to talk about the science of sleep cycles. So, a lot of babies have 45-minute sleep cycles, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 50 minutes. It varies, but let's say on average, about 45-minute sleep cycles. So we're going to start up here at phase one. The first 0 to 10 minutes, your baby is starting to fall asleep. And then by phase two, so about 10 to 20 minutes into their sleep time, they're getting into a deeper sleep. By 20 minutes, they're likely to be in a very deep sleep. And they may stay there only for about 10 to 20 minutes. They're going to come out of their heavy sleep about 30 to 40 minutes into their sleep cycle. And then they're going to be in a light sleep again, and it's going to be easy to arouse them or wake them up. So this cycle is going to keep going and going and going. And some babies are really, really good at connecting these sleep cycles and sleeping for a long time, especially those first few months of life when they are like really easy to take on the go and they'll sleep anywhere. But then around 4 months, this is just a little preview to what you're going to be, looking into in the future. Around 4 months, babies have a sleep regression, and that's when their sleep patterns become more adult-like, and these sleep cycles might become a little bit longer, a little bit more predictable, and they may be able to sleep a little bit longer. But in terms of understanding your baby's sleep cycle, this is basically the gist of it. So if your baby is falling asleep in your arms, I'm going to give you a quick tip. When your baby falls asleep in your arms, during that first 10 minutes, do not try to transfer your baby to the crib because they will likely wake up. So they're only starting to fall asleep. They're getting into a deeper sleep, 10 to 20 minutes. So your safe bet is that once your baby has been asleep in your arms for about 20 minutes, then you can transfer them to the crib with less likelihood of them waking up. And at the end of that sleep cycle, when they do start to wake up, they may be confused as to why they fell asleep in your arms and woke up somewhere else. So don't be worried if your baby starts crying right upon waking up and they're still tired. You can always help your baby fall back asleep and do the whole cycle all over again. But this is your chart for baby sleep cycles, and you will be an expert in no time.